Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the name of a custom list on WhatsApp. Custom lists are a fantastic way to organize your chats, whether it's for family, work, or friends, but sometimes a name change is needed. So let's dive right into the simple steps to get it done. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, head over to the Chats section. This is where all your conversations are listed. Now, to view your lists, simply swipe down on the chat screen. This action will reveal all of your custom lists. Once you see the list you want to rename, tap and hold on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Edit. This will allow you to modify the list's current name. Next, you'll be able to enter a new name for your list. Type in your desired name, something that accurately reflects the group of contacts within that list. Once you're satisfied with the new name, look for the Done button or a similar checkmark icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and tap it. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your custom list on WhatsApp. This will help you keep your chats even more organized and easier to navigate. Remember, this only changes the name of the list, not the chats or contacts within it. It's purely for organizational purposes, so feel free to rename your lists as needed to suit your evolving needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.